A logistics platform is taking root in Africa, being a bridge between cargo owner and fleet, integrating fleet management and online intelligent transactions. Icheetah Smart Transportation Platform is making transportation more convenient, safer, and more efficient. One-click login Icheetah. Cargo owner can find qualified fleet with satisfying service, and fleet can locate first-rate cargo. With state-of-art artificial intelligence, neural network technology, intelligent routing algorithm, and offline transit warehouse, Icheetah can realize fleet and cargo intelligent matching and substantially promote transportation efficiency. Let's take a look at how Icheetah mobilizes copper cathode from Congo DRC to Tanzania. Icheetah divides the 2,000-kilometer-plus long route into shorter segments and implement transit shipment in Zambia. According to cargo type, truck type, time, and route, Icheetah can dispatch round-trip transportation tasks. Icheetah can realize the following functional applications: strict documentation verification against fleet companies, drivers, and trucks. Uploading pictures of the cargo by drivers through app. Automatically creating place of interest electrical fence. Various insurance policies against cargo. GPS monitoring, real-time warning and push notification regarding important logistics nodes. Icheetah is cooperating with multiple African fuel companies and truck services workshops in order to implement main route filling and roadside assistance. After customs clearance, the copper cathode is delivered to Zambia bonded warehouse. Then, the truck can start settlement through Icheetah and load lime back to Congo DRC. Meantime, the truck for taking copper cathode from Zambia bonded warehouse to Tanzania is ready to go. The seamless linking up between cargo and fleet can save at least 2 days for the truck waiting time. Shorter distance and multiple batches can promote truck turnaround rate and revenue. Icheetah's cargo and truck matching helps reduce transportation cost and increase income. The reports generated from Icheetah makes the earnings and the cost to be as plain as print. Making transportation more convenient, safer, and more efficient. This is what Icheetah's mission entails.